Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can restore the toolbar on Zen Browser to default settings. So let us dive into this. So what you want to do, guys, is navigate to the Zen Browser, and you will need to click into these three dots on the top left, and from there navigate to more tools here, and at the top choose customize toolbar. Here, guys, you can drag your favorite functions and features to the toolbar here at the top. However, guys, if you have already done that, let's say, for instance, I don't know, the sidebar here and so on and so forth, and you would like to restore it, you will find that button in the bottom right, restore defaults, and that is going to remove all added tools and features to the toolbar at the top. Confirm by clicking into done, and that is going to redirect you to the previous tab here. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got something from it, and we'll catch you later.